Likes old cars. Here she comes. The Bronco 2, the 1984. Freshly restored. Impressive. Ready?
I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh my Lord. Very yellow. You ready?
You ready? Yep.
Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy to my immediate left is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Heck yeah. 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west. I'm going to put the phone number above our heads. Look, there it is. Remember it? Write it down. Call us about this amazing 1984 Ford Bronco or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. And also, like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help us help you. And when you subscribe, hit the bell because then you get notified when we make cool stuff like this. Also, if you want full photo sets of all of our cars, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com. You can also see specs, pricing, stuff like that, if you need more information. But right now, we're going to show you how good this thing drives, because that's the point of the video. Go ahead, Chris.
Yeah, it is. So, this is a 1984 Bronco 2. First year of the Bronco 2. This one's obviously been expertly restored. Yellow with the black, and the black accents, a black bumper. And look at the black wheels. Yep. This is 1984, so you still have to actually lock the hubs in.
The hubs.
Not lugs.
15-inch steel wheels, yes. And on the front, you kind of went right past it. The grill piece is from a newer Bronco.
It is.
That big yellow grill piece in the middle, kind of cool. I do like the color combo. Yellow and black is a good combo.
I love it.
It's got cool stripes. It's got cool.
It's got some cool stripes.
Bronco stuff painted on it. 4x4 off-road with another stripe really on the back. Yeah, the interior. If you want to talk about the interior, we got plaid in there.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about that. Look at this. This is nice. Everything's been done really well.
You want to open the back?
Yeah, I'm going to try to learn how to do that.
So you see this little black handle over here?
Door? No.
Right there?
Back.
Lift up on the black handle. Pull it up.
Up. There
you go.
Oh, see? There it is. Spring loaded.
And then you get the key that's labeled back and you put it inside that little hole.
Oh, that's all right. Oh, you shoved that sucker in?
Yeah.
All right.
And so then you twist that thing depending on what you want to open. So if you twist it that way, you're going to open the whole tailgate.
Oh, nice. I like this one. That shows it all.
And it's on struts. So it goes up on its own. And you have storage back here. You have a little compartment.
No way, do you?
On the side there, yeah. You got a little button for that. Black bumpers, like you said. Dual exhaust.
Love the duals.
We didn't mention that, but yeah, this thing opens.
2.9 liter six-cylinder.
Heck yeah.
3-speed automatic.
There you go. Now if you twist it the other direction, look at that.
Oh.
You can open just the rear glass.
Hello.
Isn't that nifty?
It is nifty.
There's no one in there.
Very nice. Hope not.
And then you just take the key back out. And look at that. And then when you put the tire away, lift back up on that thing, shove it in, and Bob's your uncle. Yeah, there you go. Lift and
it
push.
Locks real good. Yeah, because you want it locked. You don't want that opening up.
No, you don't want that opening up.
That would be bad.
2.9 liter V6, automatic.
3-speed automatic.
It is a 4x4, but it's in two-wheel drive right now. Newer paint, dual exhaust, plaid seats. What more do you want? This thing is kind of cool, actually. You want to drive it?
The interior is actually really impressive.
I know.
I can't wait to get in. Let's get in.
Let's get in.
Got Brian. Here we go.
The belts have been situated, and now we can go.
Oh, hello.
Very nice.
Wow.
It's pretty peppy, actually.
He's expertly restored this yellow vehicle.
We do have
yellow vehicles.
We do have cranky windows.
Oh, you do.
Now they're not upset at us. You just have to crank them to put them up.
It's manual.
Down here you have some lights to show you when you're low on fuel or if you got some lights out, and you can press this button and they all kind of flash. Kind of neat.
Oh, it's Ford's little info system back in the day.
Yeah.
I remember my aunt had it in her Escort.
Really?
The old Escort. Oh yeah, that thing never died.
Headliner's very soft. It's in good condition. It's not droopy. We do have a head unit in here. Looks like power acoustic, and it's a touchscreen. Look at that.
Oh, interesting.
Does the radio work?
Music to your ears. Or
Yes, it does. Very nice. We do have AC as well, which is a huge deal. You got that down here.
You always need AC.
And then you have this, which is a cigarette lighter, in case
What?
you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. That's what we like to say.
Exactly. You got 373 gears in the rear and the front. Hooray
Yeah.
for us.
But we're only using the rear because we're in two-wheel drive.
That's all we need.
That's all we need. It's got a nice black hood. I do like that.
It's really actually a nice looking truck. I'm sorry, SUV.
And do you know why race cars started using black hoods?
Tell me.
It's because it's less reflective, so when the sun shines off of it, it doesn't blind the driver as much.
Oh, good. That's why they have the black lines under their eyes in the NFL.
Exactly.
Well.
Kind of like putting the black line on your face in the NFL. You make a black hood, the sun's not as annoying.
Which
The
is
more you
good.
know.
Da-da-da.
We also have nice gauges. We really have one gauge. It's a speedo. The rest of it is just lights, although the fuel gauge is a gauge.
Technically.
It'll focus over there. But really not a whole lot to look at as far as information. It's basically telling you that it's cool, that you have oil pressure, and that you have gas, and that it's charging.
And you should pay attention to the road. That's what
Yes.
it's telling you.
But I mean, for a Bronco, this thing drives incredible. The Bronco 2, obviously a very different platform than the OG Bronco,
Exactly.
but it's nice, it's comfy.
Yep.
And these plaid seats are plush.
84 was the first year they came out.
Yeah, they're leather on the bolsters and they're cloth in the middle. Because I don't think you can make plaid leather. But
I think that would be weird.
It would be weird. And also,
Be lumpy
even though it's only a two-door, you have back seats.
for real people.
That's also plaid for real people, yes. And even with back seats, you have storage behind the back seats where the tailgate is to store stuff.
It was 84's
So-
version of the modern SUV.
It's pretty utilitarian.
Just two doors, but that's all you need.
You can go to the Home Depot and put wooden stuff back there if you need.
Sure, but this is so nice. I don't know if I'd
Yeah.
do it. I'd rent a trailer.
The paint's a
Pull
little too
behind it.
nice to be throwing building supplies in and out of it, but
Amen.
it really does drive incredible.
I like it. Whoa, nice.
And you can put it in four-wheel drive and just take any bump you want.
Absolutely. You can't get in the mud, get in the slop.
Right, go off-road.
Why not?
Do whatever.
They'd be able to find you. It's a yellow truck. They'll be able to find you.
Yeah, you could see it from space. So
Amen.
I think the roof is black as well, though.
It is.
And another thing I noticed is that these rear side windows aren't just flat; they curve up a little bit onto the roof,
They absolutely
which is really
do.
neat. So when you're sitting in the back, you can actually like see straight up almost.
You could. It's
kinda cool.
kind of nice.
And you got
It's
oh,
nice
you know
little
what
truck.
handles up here
You need them.
in case this guy decides to get a little crazy.
It happens occasionally. Not today, though.
Probably
We're
not.
all tired.
Yes.
Their 30th anniversary party this Saturday, and I stayed up till almost 10. That's a
Wow,
record
that's
for me.
late for you.
I can barely do that. And then yesterday was busy. It's just all nuts. It's all crazy.
Oh look, Land Rover, I think.
Sure is. An old
Fellow
one.
off-road friend.
And yes,
The V6 sounds cool too. I like the dual exhaust.
it sounds great. And really, it's peppy. Like you said.
Yeah. It's a little trumpety, but it's
gives you
not
enough
too
noise.
annoying. It's
Not
not
at all.
droney either.
Nope.
Like when you're just cruising, you can't hear it at all, but when you get on it, you get a nice V6 noise.
He did a great job of restoring this car. It's really nice, interior and out. Really nice and comfortable. I feel kind of confident in it.
And if you
Not
like
that worried.
yellow, this is the car for you.
Yes, you must like yellow. Yellow and black, like Rocky. He loved yellow and black.
Yes, he does.
See Rocky 3 for reference,
I've seen all the Rockies,
as well you should.
I think.
Clever
so many of
Lane.
them.
He pities the fool.
He does.
Oh, clever. Oh, could you?
And here's our stop sign, so we can do a bit of a bean test, Chris.
Well.
Let's see about it.
Thought I heard a cat. Man, this thing is nice. Listen to it. It's angry.
It sounds good.
Well. She woke up the old Bronco 2. Electric Boogaloo.
And
I
that
don't know
was
if that's
35 miles an hour.
35 miles an hour. But it got there in a real nice hurry.
Yeah.
But it's a truck.
Plenty of torque to go off-road and get yourself out of a ditch, too.
Hey, man. Have some fun with it for the love of Mike. Life is a fun thing.
For the love of
Make
Mike.
it last.
And I know they filled this pothole, but if they hadn't, we would have been fine.
I'd have hit it directly.
Yeah, we were
Wouldn't
in a
even
Bronco
affect
too.
this. Ooh, that's been done.
You only have 15-inch wheels, so you have a lot of sidewall.
Plenty
It's going to be
of
real
sidewall.
difficult to hurt these wheels.
Amen. You think this is good right here?
Yeah.
All right then, we'll stop right
You
here.
ready for some flyby action?
Would I enjoy it? Yes. The answer is yes. Oh, I keep looking up here.
I know.
It's not up here.
It's not a column shifter, it's a floor shifter.
No, it
It's
is a
cool.
floor shifter.
And
It's
then you
nice.
have your locker right next to it.
And did
for
we
the-
notice the old cup holders that I was kind of hiding? I'm
Yeah.
sorry about that.
I don't know if I would call those cup holders.
You can set them there.
You could probably put some wet cat food in there if you want to feed your cat, but oh, look at that. You got a little compartment too.
Gotta love those.
All right, ready for
Gotta love
flybys?
that. Yep. Oh, I love that. All right, let us go. And there he goes. He's off. He really has an affinity for yellow vehicles, so you never know. Jake might buy this car. He's gonna edit this later and be so mad at me saying it. It's true though. He likes yellow cars. Here she comes. The Bronco 2, the 1984. Freshly restored. Impressive. Here he comes. And yes. He's not gonna break any speed records with that bad boy, but it's a nice one. Here he comes to save the day.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hi, Jake. So
Hi.
how was it, Jake?
It was awesome, peppy.
It looked great.
How did it sound?
It sounded wonderful. It sounded like a little truck that can go in the woods for sure. It's the Bronco 2, and it's wicked. I like it.
Absolutely.
You ready to go back?
Oh, Jinx, you owe me a Coke.
I'm not buying you any soda. N-O-S-O-D-A. All right, here we go.